Hi there guys, this is Shelly from Shelly's Little World, and for today's video, I would like to share with you on how I pack light. And yeah, very quick lang yung aking video for today, because I would just like to share with you on how I actually pack my things on a 17-liter tactical bag. So tara! So those are the things that I'll be bringing: my bandana, or my scarf rather, my bandana, my tactical bag, gloves, microfiber towel, socks, my SJ cam, my Bluetooth speaker, my eating tools, fork and also spoon with me, keys and lock, my tripod, my toiletries, my sarong, and then my power bank. I'll bring some IDs with me, bobby pins, clips, alcohol. I'll bring my power bank with me. I also have light with this power bank, so pretty cool. And also in this pack, I have here my another pair of socks. What you call this? My neck pillow, my waterproof case, my eye mask, and my earplug. And also I'll be bringing with me my menstrual cup. I don't know when my period would actually come, but definitely guess that's within my trip. So I'll be bringing it with me. Plus my clothes. So all of my clothes are packed in this packing tubes, and let's go and pack. Some of the essential things that are not included in this video is my water bottle, umbrella, my wallet, charger, and cell phone. But the rest of the things that you saw in this video are actually all the same things that I usually bring with me. And when I tried to kilo my things, it's just below 7 kilos. It's just 5 kilos, guys. And I used to travel alone, so I always make sure that I always pack light because I always carry my things around. So, there. I always make sure na laging kadikit ko yung aking gamit. So, I'm done packing, and yeah. So, let's go! There you go, guys. That's how I pack my things, and also I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell below so that you will always be updated on my next videos or vlogs that I'll be posting. And saan kaya ako dadalhin ng aking makating paa? So sana ma-enjoy ko yung aking next travel, and don't worry, I'll make sure that I'll bring you to the place where I'll be going to. So yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye!